See you soon.
Oh my God.
What is it?
My husband is back.
So?
What do you mean, so?
Never mind. I'm sorry.
He didn't tell me he was coming back today. Oh, God.
But just hold on a bit. Let him go inside before you leave, okay?
I have to go.
Wait.
Oh my God.
Neil, what is it?
It was a dream. Someone was going to stab me.
What? Well, thank God it was a dream. Honey, look, I think this is your political ambition or whatever. I think it needs to stop right now. Don't you think that you were rushing into and we're doing things fast? Why don't we just, pause on things?
I'm not stepping down. This is a lifelong ambition. I've not come this far to quit. Understand me?
Fine, if that's what you want.
Let me shower to refresh myself. Oh.
Honey?
Yeah?
Breakfast is served.
I'm sorry, honey. I'm running out of time.
Really? You're not having breakfast?
I wish I don't have to. But there's this press briefing we have in 30 minutes and a meeting with the party executive. There is so much to do.
It's fine.
Come on, baby. Come on. You know I wouldn't want to leave you in this mood. You know you're my lucky charm. A smile will make the difference. Come on. I promise to do the next meal.
You're terrible at cooking.
Come on. You know I can always find a way around it now.
Yeah, wait, videos from YouTube and still end up cooking something terrible? I'll pass.
Please, I need to go now. Catch you later.
So, I want you to check all those things that I asked you to fix. Right. And then look, I saw, see the cobwebs up here. Yeah, and I have to clean all those things.
Yeah, I'll get my workers to do it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Let them clean
about
it.
the TV stand, what
The console.
Yeah. What
from let's Grace. Excuse me. What are you doing here?
I should be asking you that. I mean, I live here.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God, I just paid for this place. I'll be moving in tomorrow. Come here.
Wow.
Yes.
I live here with my husband.
Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot you're married. It's good to know that I will have you as my neighbor.
Yeah, I'm sure you enjoy the place.
Of course. Having you as a neighbor, I know I definitely will. I will see you around. So sorry, huh?
It's okay.
So, like I was saying, let the people. We're talking about the console, right?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Honey,
Do you like the food?
it's not about liking the food. What's the problem?
Yeah, of course, everything's fine.
You're lost in thought, and you've barely touched your food as well. Tell me, what bothers you?
I'm fine, honey. I'm really fine.
You're sure you're fine? Okay, if you say so. What about going to the movies after now? Something to cheer you up?
Not a bad idea.
Grace, you need to see. Like,
It's okay now. I understand I missed it. What? But anyway,
well,
hope I'm having another invitation.
oh, no,
And the next one.
No.
Why?
Nobody's inviting you
Why?
because you're married.
What's that supposed to mean? So who told you that married women don't hang out with ladies?
Well, you're my bestie. So I would advise you that you stay away from this kind of event. I mean, this is strictly for single people and not married people.
I've heard you.
You had your time.
Enough of the talk. Guess what?
What?
I got the shock of my life yesterday.
You don't mean it.
I'm not joking. Guess who moved next door?
You know I'm not good at guessing now.
Guess
Just
now.
Give me the gist now.
Not too sure.
Which one is guessed?
Benjamin.
Are you serious?
You see that look on your face? Exactly. Like, seeing yesterday, I was shocked. But, girl, I get to admit it, I was a little bit excited though. Yeah, because I mean, seeing him moving next door, kind of, you know.
Are you done?
What?
No, like, are you done talking?
What's that supposed?
Because I don't know why you're talking about your ex-boyfriend and you're this excited. Why?
Look, it's not what you make out in your head, Rick.
Hey, tell me.
Stop playing anything nasty in your head. It's not like that.
It's like what then?
Go ahead, say what you want to
See,
tell me.
Grace, you really need to watch it. You need to watch it. You know you have unresolved feelings with this guy and the next thing he's moving next door and you're talking about it and your dick's excited. I could literally
Fine.
feel the butterflies in your tummy.
Excuse me?
Uh-huh.
Okay, enough of your moral talks. I was making something in the kitchen, so can you give me a hand?
Sure, at least I could wash the dishes or slice onions or...
No cooking, no eating.
Who's cooking? You're even lucky I offered to help wash the dishes. I'm your guest. Treat me now. I'm a baby girl. When I get married, you come to my house, I'll cook. But now, let me enjoy my life. See these nails? Nah.
Grace, the love of my youth. What does it matter if she's married? I have always loved her and always will. I never imagined I could set my eyes on you again. Benjamin, are you going to give up the fight on the woman you truly love? No. This is fate. I will fight for you. And I will have you back in my life again. My love. You're so beautiful.
Is everything alright, honey?
Yeah, it's just those subscription stuff reminder.
Oh. It's alright. Aren't you coming to bed?
Yeah, I'll join you.
I see you're still keeping up with your morning exercises.
Yes.
Quite impressive.
One of the things I learned from you?
Well, now that we live in the same environment, I was thinking we can, work out together just like old times.
I don't like the idea, though.
I see. Well, you did not respond to my text last night.
Oh, about that. I won't be stepping out for dinner.
Come on, Grace. It's been long since we last spoke or saw each other. I just want us to catch up. And I won't take much of your time, okay?
Well...
Please. Don't say no. Look, I just want us to chit-chat over dinner. More of like catching up with an old friend.
All right.
Okay, I will send you the address.
Sure. Hey, babes. Oh, I'm actually stepping out. I'm going to have a quick meeting with a friend. Can you just come off it, please? I'll talk to you later.
You look radiant as always.
Thank you.
It's been a long time. I was thinking we could catch up and sort some things out.
What's there to sort out? Benjamin, I'm married. I live with my husband. My life is not the life you used to know.
I understand. But seeing you again, I can't help but think of what could have been. Look, I know we broke up because of our genotypes, but sometimes I wonder if we could have found another way.
Benjamin, the reason why we broke up was important. It wasn't just about us. It was also about the decision we made, about our future and the choices.
Yeah, but I can't control the feelings I still have. I just wanted to know if there's a chance. Any chance at all.
I do value our past, Benjamin. But I live with my husband. And I love him. It wouldn't be fair to build him and you against anything else.
I get it. Honestly, I do. I just wanted to be clear about where I stand. I hope I still stand a chance of being part of your life, even if it's just friends.
I do appreciate your honesty. But I have a life to protect now, however complicated it is.
Okay, let's just enjoy our drinks, as a way of catching up with an old friend.
Thank you. As a friend, yes.
Agreed. Cheers. To friends.
To friends. Honey, you're back.
Yeah.
You're home early.
I was just surprised I didn't see you in the house as well. Where were you?
I accompanied Anna to the bar. She asked me to accompany her.
Oh, I wouldn't have imagined anyone else dragging you out of the house if not Ada.
Yeah, you're right. I'll just go upstairs.
Okay.
You still got ahead of me. Oh, I can't break out of this. Oh, I can't break out of this.
Ken, this is really big for you. You are at the verge of winning the party's primaries.
Chike, you have no idea how happy I am. But then it's just the first step. There is still a long way to go.
No, Jerry, but I'm quite confident in you. After all, what you've been doing all these years is build good relationship with the party.
You see, my trip to Abuja is an important one. The party chairman has even requested I come meet with him.
Like I said, I am quite confident that you'll pull this through. Okay? Yes, you're on the way to become a member of the State House of Assembly.
I know, right?
Yes, and another thing is, now that you are the pinnacle of your political career, I advise you stay away from anything that will put a dent on your personality. You know one thing with political opponents, right?
You really have a point there. You see, the opposition are always looking for something to feast on.
Sure. Sure.
Yes. That reminds me, Chiki. Why don't you want to go into politics?
Oh, no. No. That's not my thing.
Come on, man, represent your people. That's not your calling. So
once again, congratulations. Yes.
Okay, my friend, you always,
Okay, I'll see you in the evening.
No problem, sir.
Yeah.
Have a better day ahead.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi, Benjamin. So tell me, how are you settling into the new environment?
It's been great. I mean, I can't complain.
Oh wow, that's awesome. Honey, our new neighbor, have you met him?
Yeah. I think I've seen him around a couple of times.
Oh, that's nice. We're actually taking a walk.
Oh, all right. Let me let you guys run along.
Yes. Okay. Best of the day.
All right, you too.
Yeah. Honey.
Yeah?
I'm enjoying the highest form of support I could get from my party. It feels too good to be true.
Well, you've paid your dues over the years, right? It's well deserved.
Very well deserved. The party chairman has requested I come see him in Abuja next week. I'll be there for the whole week.
Next week.
Yes, next week.
You're traveling next week. Can't it be postponed or something?
That's not possible, Grace.
It's our wedding anniversary.
Oh. That's true. That's true.
Okay, so since that's true, can you now push the date to another date?
I wish I could, but that's not possible. I understand how you feel, Grace. Our anniversary is a big deal.
Oh.
But we have something just as important on the line here.
Wow. Well, I never knew that your political ambition is much more important than your home, your family, right?
Come on, Grace, please, let's not do this. I beg you. Let's not do it. I just needed you to understand, that's it.
Hey, big girl.
Thank you.
What? What's with the look?
We were hanging out yesterday. Who are you hanging out with?
A friend.
Great. I know that's what you're going to say, but I'm just curious. Who's this friend of yours?
Fine. You know I can't lie to you.
I know. Let's have it. Spill it.
Well, Benjamin asked me out to chat over a glass of wine.
What?
Look, it's nothing. It's just a friendly meeting.
A friendly whatever should not be entertained. Grace, he has to understand that you are married. And you have to cut all ties with him. I don't know this thing that keeps going on with you and Benjamin.
I do understand your concerns, okay? It's fine. We both have an understanding that we're just friends, okay? Besides, I'll keep him at arm's length.
Well, I have told you multiple times that you should not have anything to do with this guy unless you don't want to play with fire. What are you doing, girl? Please leave Benjamin alone. Let Benjamin leave you. Leave Benjamin alone.
Since you've been screwing that bottle, what is it with you and this water?
She's my water. You gave it to me.
Sorry.
You're supposed to bring food for me. Now it's only water you're giving me.
You don't know road to kitchen.
I'm a visitor, Jerry. Before you tell me if it's Benjamin that buried your placenta.
Who is there? Hold on.
Good day, ma'am.
Good day.
I have a delivery package for you. I guess you're Madam Grace.
Yes, I am.
Someone asked I deliver this to you, ma'am.
And who is it from?
You'll find out soon enough. Yes, I am.
Benjamin, why did you do that? Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about. Why did you send me a gift? Look, I don't want trouble. I've told you already, I'm married. What has my smile got to do with you in the first place? Please don't get me into trouble, please. Hey.
Hey, you seem a bit over the edge. Is everything all right?
Yeah. Everything is perfect.
I'm actually praying for my trip to Abuja. I thought you'd be interested in helping me pack up.
Of course, why not?
I need to get water.
Okay.
So I'll be with you.
Grace, good morning. I thought we could work out together.
I'm not interested.
Why are you being so uptight? Come on, it's just morning workout.
Benjamin, we can do our workout separately. Besides, so many people in this estate know my husband.
But working out together?
No buts, Benjamin. Let's work out separately. I'm not interested.
Try to delete your number, but I know by heart I scroll past all your pictures, and I scroll right by. I come back, but I'm breaking slowly.
Hey, lover girl, I can imagine that you might be missing your husband now already.
To think that he even took this trip on our anniversary.
You can imagine.
It's just hard to do.
I'm so sorry, my darling. I know how you must be feeling, but don't worry. I promise I would always come and check up on you regularly.
Let's catch up later, Jerry.
Okay, now. See ya.
All right.
Bye.
See you. See you.
Hello, Grace.
Benjamin, what are you doing here?
Don't you think it's advisable to let me in before the neighbors see me lurching around the doorstep?
I'm still asking you what you're doing here.
I believe Ken went on a trip.
How do you know that?
Don't worry about it. I just thought you might need some company.
Obviously not yours.
Come on, Grace. I can still see the spark in your eyes.
Benjamin, whatever you have in your head, please don't go there with me.
Look me in the eyes and tell me you don't feel that intense emotions for me. Grace, what we feel for each other is stronger than I thought. Why don't you let this ship sail?
Are you crazy? Get out!
Grace. Grace. Grace.
Grace, you've got to put yourself together. Benjamin belongs in your past. So why are you still falling for him? I just can't stand the sight of him, no matter how hard I try. The memories of our past keeps pouring in. He should never have moved in next door. He knows I'm struggling to conceal my feelings for him. Yet, he wouldn't back down. Okay. Are you alright? No, don't worry. Don't worry. Sorry. Sorry. Just okay. Sorry. Sorry. Careful. Sorry. Careful. Where's your medication?
It's in the console.
Come. How do you feel now?
Much better. Could have gotten worse if you hadn't seen me.
But I thought this peptic ulcer was over already.
Apparently, I have to learn to live with it.
Sorry.
I'm glad you still care.
And sure you take your medication on time.
I will.
I have to go. I'll come back and check up on you.
Thank you.
Ada, I didn't know you were around. What's up?
Tell me that didn't happen. Don't tell me that I just saw you coming out of Benjamin's apartment.
Okay, before you get dramatic, can we just go inside, please?
Grace, like seriously, don't tell me that I saw you coming out from Benjamin's apartment.
It's not what you think, okay? He has peptic ulcer. He was struggling. I just simply helped him into his apartment so that he could take his medication. That's all.
So all of a sudden, you have become an in-house nurse. And the next thing, Benjamin now has a pathetic ulcer. When you went to save him. This is not convincing enough for you to go and spend time with him. It's not.
I didn't spend time with him. He was struggling. I just simply helped. That's it.
So tell me now, if Ken was around, you would have played this role of a good Samaritan that you did. No, tell me now. Benjamin is your past. He is your past. Yes, I know you have unresolved feelings for him, but let it go. Let it go. You're a married woman. Face your marriage.
Honey, when will you be coming tomorrow so I could come pick you up? Really? Look, it's bad enough that you missed out on our anniversary, but extra 1 week? That even makes it worse. It's fine. Hello?
Grace, can I get
Hello? Hello? Can you get what? Benjamin? Hello? I cannot hear you well. Hello? Benjamin! Benjamin! Let me help. Sorry. Wait, hold on. Benjamin, at this rate, you need to go to the hospital. Have someone.
I'll be fine. It gets worse than this sometimes.
Benjamin, you don't look fine to me. Okay, I'll accompany you to the hospital. We'll meet at the hospital. We cannot leave together. We have to leave separately because I don't want people seeing us.
If you can make this plan to go to the hospital, why can't you make the same plan so we can see and talk?
I don't understand.
Grace. I miss us. I miss what we shared together. And how much we cared for each other.
Please just don't go there.
I am holding on to the tiniest margin of hope because I am still madly in love with you.
I am married. Whatever you're thinking can and would never work. Are you okay?
I'll be fine. What if my dying wish is to spend some time with you, Grace?
Benjamin, no one is dying here, okay? Just stop and get these thoughts out of your head. I'll see you tomorrow.
But I'm breaking slowly, piece by piece. Somebody save me. I know I got someone. I can't pretend what has gotten over me. Every thought of you just pulls me in again and again, again. What has gotten over me? You still got ahead of me. Oh, I can't break out of this. Oh, I can't break out of this. Oh, Grace. Desire don't they know go hey. Oh, Grace. Desire don't they know go hey. Hey. Oh, Gracie. Desire don't they know go hey. Hey. My friends that moved on, but they don't know that's what's really going on. I changed my setting, but you stay the same. Blocked all your pages, thinking it would change. Though we ended this for the right reasons. Now the reason seems not right. See you again, but it's best we go our separate ways. 'Cause far apart, we are best alone. Far apart, we are best alone. What has gotten over me? You still got ahead of me. Oh, I can't break out of this. Oh, I can't break out of this. Oh, Grace. Desire don't they know go hey. Oh, Grace. Desire don't they know go hey. Hey. Oh, Gracie. Desire don't I can't break out of this. What has gotten over me? You still got a hold of me. Oh, I can't break out of this. Oh, I can't break out of this.
Honey, I'm home. Where is she again? Honey? Honey? I've been home for some hours now, and Grace is nowhere to be found. I mean, she even left her phone in the house. Where could she have gone to?
See you soon.
Oh my God.
What is it?
My husband is back.
So?
What do you mean, so?
Never mind. I'm sorry.
He didn't tell me he was coming back today. Oh, God.
Well, just hold on a bit. Let him go inside before you leave, okay?
I have to go.
Wait.
Try to delete your number, but I know by heart I scroll past all your pictures, and I scroll right back. I like I'm better, but I'm breaking slowly, piece by piece. Somebody save me. I know I got someone. I can't pretend what has gotten over me. Every type of you just pulls me.
Honey, you're home. Welcome.
Where have you been?
Oh, I took out the trash.
Really? Does it take an hour to empty the trash?
I went 5 minutes ago.
That is not possible. I've been home for over an hour. Grace, have you been?
Well, I went to the mall.
Okay, you went to the mall.
Yeah, I went to get some stuff.
Where are the items you got from the mall?
They ran out of stock, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Good news. The coast is clear for me to be the flag bearer in the House of Assembly election.
Are you serious?
Yes.
That's an achievement. Congratulations.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Wow,
Thank you.
wow.
Thank you. The party's gala night is tomorrow, and all party members are expected to come with their partners.
Tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow. Grace, is everything all right? I mean, you've not been yourself.
It's nothing. The gala, yeah, we'll be there.
Okay. We'll be there. Let me just take off my clothes, refreshing, so
Sure.
give me food. Huh?
Yeah. Hello? I cannot make it tomorrow. Well, because my husband has a gala at night and I have to attend it with him. I'm sorry.
Oh,
Yes, peace unto this house.
yeah, welcome to my house once more.
Yeah. Where's Grace?
I think she's upstairs. Let me get her to get us something.
All right.
She's not in the house. I think she should be within the estate.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Actually, it was nice seeing her last night at the gala night. I'm glad she came with you.
Chike, something feels off about her. Grace is not the woman I used to know.
How do you mean? I saw both of you last night at the gala night. You both seemed good together.
We seem good together, but I have had to play along. I think Grace is getting distracted.
You're getting me all confused. Distracted by who, by what? How do you mean?
Chike, I am convinced Grace is talking to another man.
Come off that. How do you mean Grace is talking to another man? No, I don't believe it. By the way, you're supposed to be focused. Don't be distracted by little things. At this point in your political career, you need to focus. You need to focus on your election. Please, don't think of things that don't seem true. Please get us something to drink.
I'm trying. Okay, let me get.
Try to delete your number, but I know by heart. I scroll past all your pictures, and I scroll right by. I like I'm bad, but I'm breaking slowly, piece by piece. Somebody save me. I know I got someone. I can't pretend what has gotten over me. Every thought of you just pulls me in again and again. What has gotten over me, you still got ahead of me. Oh, I can't break out of this. Oh, I can't break out of this. Oh, Grace, 'cause I don't know.
Are you okay?
Chike, no, I'm not okay. You need to see this.
Is this not Grace hugging another man?
I told you, but you wouldn't listen.
You wish to be a lawmaker, yet you can't put your home together. Who is this man? Ken, I'll advise you to take things easy, okay?
Chike, you won't understand. My fears has been confirmed. Grace is seeing another man, and my opponents are ready to feast on it.
But do you have an idea who the mystery young man is?
You have seen the picture. You have seen the picture. In fact, I can't tell who the man is from the picture. Grace has chosen to betray me. She has chosen to betray me. In fact, she has questions to answer. And she will see a side of me she could never have imagined.
No, Chike. Please. I don't want you confronting her.
You can't be that serious,
I am serious. Don't make things worse than they are already. Listen, any little mistake you make now It's going to jeopardize everything. I mean, the election. You have to act like everything is fine, at least for the meantime.
Chike, everything is not fine. This is a tough one for me.
I know. Yes, it's tough, but that's the only option on the table right now.
Chike, it is a very tough one for me.
Please.
I can't be staying in the same house with a woman who is cheating on me and I should pretend as if nothing has happened.
If the election is anything to you, please, for the meantime, you have to act that. And also finding out who the mystery young man is.
I'll try. Grace, women.
Honey? 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 You barely touched your food.
I don't have appetite.
Honey, this is like second time in a row. You don't even eat in this house anymore. You don't even touch me anymore. Like you're just acting like a total stranger ever since you returned. Even you go, it's even worse that you don't even sleep in the same room with me. Last night you slept in the living room.
I'm just being myself.
Really? This is your usual self? Giving me the cold shoulder is your usual self?
Grace, I feel you're overthinking. There's no problem at all. I'm just overwhelmed by the election process.
Well, if you're overwhelmed by the election, shouldn't you talk to me about it? After all, I'm your wife. If I won't support you, who else will?
As my wife? Interesting.
What is that supposed to mean?
Never mind.
I should have imagined that his return trip would have made you feel better.
On the contrary, Ken returned a complete different man. As a matter of fact, he doesn't eat my food anymore. He prefers eating out. Is that bad that he doesn't even sleep on the same bed with me?
Really? Is it that bad?
Yeah. You have no idea what I've been through this past few weeks. I just feel terrible.
My darling, I really think you should have a conversation with him. You guys should talk about what the problem is.
And you think I haven't? I've asked him countless times. He keeps waving it off like it's, oh no, excuse of stress, excuse of the upcoming election. Oh, please.
Really? Why are you taking your calls?
It's so important.
That's Benjamin. Grace, you really shouldn't be talking to this guy, and here you are leading him on.
Leading him on? Do you think I'm not struggling myself? Yes, it's my past, but Benjamin's not making it easy for me. I mean, he won't back down. Okay? And it's not easy for me either. I'm struggling too.
Well, I really think you should cut off ties with him.
Easy for you to say. He's literally just next door. Next door. So he's every day up in my face. Like literally on my face.
Have you thought about this? Maybe Ken's cold treatment is because of he has found out about you and Benjamin.
That's laughable, right? I don't think so. How would Ken find out, please?
You can't be too sure. You just can't be too sure. Because as it is right now, it seems your marriage is slipping off your fingers. Because you refuse to move on from your ex.
Chike, I'm losing my mind right now. For how long do I have to put up with this?
I have an idea. An idea that can put to an end this whole mess.
Then spill it.
I suggest you employ the services of a private investigator.
What do we need the service of a private investigator for?
We need to track the man that Grace has been with all these days. And, if possible, take him off the grid.
What do you mean by taking him off the grid?
Well, it means so many things. Could make him disappear or.
Or what, Chike? Look, Chike, I'm not going to have blood in my hands. Never.
Who says anything like killing or something? We could make him disappear until the elections are over. In that period, he will learn to stay away from people's wives.
Still, that is extreme. But I would think of something else.
Well, in case you change your mind, I have someone. Yes, I know someone that is readily available.
Kenneth Okoye, I will stop at nothing to have what rightfully belongs to me. Send the recent photos. Let us give Ken another round of heartache to deal with. There you are. Sent. I will sit here and watch you lose your electoral seat while you file for divorce. Now, what you don't know is the story ends with me having Grace back where she rightfully belongs. In my arms.
No, I can't deal with this anymore. I can't sit here and watch everything I hold dear slip off my fingers just like that. Chike, how soon can I meet with this private investigator? All right, I'll be expecting you guys.
Well, it's been 2 days of work, and from the lead that I'm working with, it shows that our mystery lover is closer than you think.
How do you mean?
Well, he lives in the same environment with your co-use.
Oh, come on, Damien. How is that even possible?
You think? Well, in 2 days' time, I'll be able to present a more comprehensive information about our mystery lover. All right. Well, for now, I beg to take my leave, gentlemen.
Okay, Mr. Damian, all the best, eh?
All the best, Damien.
All right. Take care.
Seriously, Chike, how is it even possible the guy is in my environment?
Well, at this point, you can't rule out anything.
I'm beginning to doubt this investigator guy.
Come on, Ken, cut him some slack. He just started this job. Let's give him time.
It's all right, but have you thought about it? Even if Grace is to have an affair with someone, I mean, do you think he'll be living in the same environment as I am?
Well, like I said, anything is possible. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. He just started the job. Let's get out of here.
Benjamin, please!
Why are you avoiding me? You don't take my calls, you don't reply my text? Chris, I thought we were kicking off from where we stopped.
Really? So you've forgotten that I'm married? Or don't you remember that I'm married? Do you? So you just think you could walk back into my life and unsettle things? Really?
Look me in the eyes and tell me you're happy in that marriage. Grace, we were the happiest. We had the perfect life together.
What does it matter now? And who told you I'm not happy in my marriage?
It's crystal clear. It's that stupid genotype that tore us apart.
Just forget it. Can we just let things slide, please?
You don't mean that. I can see it from your eyes. You don't mean what you're saying.
With the photos Ken has received, it's obvious his wife is having an affair. But why hasn't he confronted her yet? I expect them to be miles apart by now. Who is this Ken guy? And what does he have up his sleeves?
Well, I have with me here the full details of our mystery lover. As you can see, his name is Benjamin Maduka, and he lives in your estate, even closer than you think.
Benjamin in my estate? But there is only one Benjamin I know.
I'm sure there is, and that's the one we're talking about.
Now, how is that even possible?
Mr. Ken, you're still doubting. All right, let me give you a shocker. Well, your wife has been out with him and on numerous occasions, right? And she has also been to his apartment countless times, more than once. And what they were doing there, I have no idea.
She has been to his apartment in this same estate?
More than once.
This is getting ridiculous already, Chike.
I see you still need more convincing. All right, here we go. So, here is the CCTV footage I obtained from the estate camera. Don't ask me how I got this, all right? I have my own way of doing things. All right.
Babe, honey, is everything all right? You just passed me like I was nobody in the parlor. What happened?
Do you even care?
What's that supposed to mean?
All this while you were having an affair with Benjamin right under my nose. I'm asking you, do you really care? Oh, you're surprised I found out about your escapades, right? Grace, I trusted you. But what did you do? You shattered the trust in the most brutal way possible.
No. I can explain.
Don't come closer.
I can explain.
Don't even come closer. What is there to explain? A guy moves in next door and my wife is having an affair with him. Do you know how ridiculous that sounds?
Benjamin is my ex.
The truth is coming out. But does it even matter?
Babe, I know whatever I say right now doesn't make any sense. But believe me, I never crossed the line because I never stopped loving you. Benjamin moved next door and I was confused, but I never crossed the line. I'm sorry.
You wouldn't be this sorry if I had not found out. Your apology means nothing, Grace. It means nothing.
No. Please. Babe, please. Babe. Babe. Babe.
She was always mine. Always. I will not sit and watch her slip away. Not again. That damn politician. He doesn't deserve her. He doesn't know her like I do. He doesn't love her like I do. Grace, you will come back to me. You will come back to me even if I have to drag you from that pathetic excuse of a husband.
Can you imagine that bastard? He has been taking advantage of the past he had with Grace to manipulate her. There's no way I won't rip him apart with my hands. I'm coming for you, Benjamin.
No. Mr. Ken, I don't think we want to do that.
Do you think so?
I know so. Look, I have uncovered more information about Benjamin. The dude is a psychopath and a serial killer, and has been on the list of the police for blackmailing women.
You don't say.
Yes. And also, his plan for Grace was actually a calculated one. He moved into the neighborhood just to have access to her. So tell me, with all this information, would you still like to rip him apart? My thought is that, look, if you ask me, right, I would say let's just report Benjamin to the police and let him face the full wrath of the law. You don't have to take the law into your own hands.
But I know by heart, I screw past all your pictures, and I screw right back. I like I'm bad, but I'm breaking slowly, piece by piece. Somebody save me. I know I got someone.
Pick up, Grace. Pick up, pick up, pick up. Shit. Come on, Grace, come on, come on, come on. Pick the phone. Pick the damn phone, Grace. Pick it up.
Oh, I can't break out of this. Oh, I can't break out of this. Oh, Grace.
Grace, I know you're in there. Pick the damn phone, Grace! Damn!
Try to delete your number, but I know by heart I screw past all your pictures, and I screw right back. I like I'm bad, but I'm breaking slowly, piece by piece. Somebody save me. I know I got someone. I can't pretend what has gotten over me. Every thought of you just pulls me in again and again, again. What has gotten over me, you still got hold of me. Oh, I can't break out of this.
Finally. Grace.
Benjamin, I don't want to ever hear from you.
Oh, come on, Grace. Come on, come on. We have our whole lives ahead of us. A beautiful one at that.
You must be deluded for you to say that to me. Benjamin, this thing all started because you would not let me go. Now my marriage is hanging on a scale. Please, I don't want to ever hear from you again. Now you must be happy, right? My husband has found out about us.
Oh.
He's angry. He has left the house. I don't even know where he has gone to. The reason why I picked your call, Benjamin, is just to tell you that I don't want to ever hear from you and never you contact me again. As a matter of fact, I'm cutting ties with you.
Grace. Hello? Hello? It is now or never. If I can't have you, no one else will.
I honestly can't believe I'm having to do with this mess just few weeks before the election. Chiki, I have tried to keep my personal life under the radar.
Ken, you have to go home now. You have to be heading home to your wife. Go and make up with her. You know, talk to her lovingly and reconcile with her. That's what you need now.
Chiki, I can't thank you enough for your support and all.
It's all right. I'll go make a complaint in the nearby police station.
That will be fine.
I'll see you soon.
That will be fine.
All right. I'll see you soon.
Thank you very much.
Benjamin, what are you doing here?
I want you to go upstairs, pack your things. We'll live in this house.
Benjamin, I feel you've lost it. Why did you keep the knife down?
Grace, I am not here to negotiate with you, okay? You go upstairs and pack your things. Go upstairs! Pack your things.
Benjamin.
We'll live in this place. Do you understand me?
Benjamin, you're hurt.
Do not resist. You know I love you. I love you so much, okay? I don't want to hurt you. Now let's go. Let's go! Hurt you. Come here, let's go.
Okay.
She's mine. Stay there. Where are you going?
She's not yours to control.
She was mine before you came into the picture. Stay right there.
Don't hurt her.
Don't come close. Okay? If you don't want me to hurt her, stay right there!
But don't hurt her.
Freeze! Drop it. I said drop.
Okay.
Good. Your hands up. Get it.
Move it. Move!
She's mine.
I said move.
She's mine. Grace. Grace, you're mine.
Move!
Sorry.
Move.
Grace, I love you.
Move it, my friend.
Move.
Okay. Grace. Grace.